I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans were lower yet again. Tariff solutions just seem to be nowhere in sight. It seems that the prices really dropped below even Brazil's prices, and it's having little effect on our ability to increase our exports. It seems that even with the excessive rains have not really been an issue yet because we can't take our eyes off of what's happening with these geopolitical problems. There has been some potential buyers just seems to still be holding back. They're very, very nervous that this is going to have a long-lasting effect on the markets. And so until we really get a handle on this, I think that we could be hanging around in this area. Even today, the November futures got down to $9, and so we did drop below that on just 2 days ago when the first report came out. But it's going to be really difficult to hold it above $9 if we don't get any more participation in the market. Corn was higher today. Interestingly enough, there has been some serious drought in Russia, and it's actually affecting the U.S. prices of all things. So it was really affecting corn and wheat both. The prospect of a significant decline in the world stocks is really keeping the support coming into our corn market, thank goodness. Now, the new lows in that Chicago contract was down at 360 just on Tuesday, and we're solidly above that. So hopefully the bottom is in, but we're only 2 days off that, and more things can still happen. So we're going to be watching that completely. Now, there's always that possibility that we can have a big rebound. That just hasn't appeared yet, and we're still in this oversold situation. But with all the things happening, I think that around the world, it makes it very difficult for us to really build up any kind of momentum. Wheat was higher. The commercials really were buying, driving that rally today. We did have a big low a couple of days ago, and that really pushed the market down to 480. It was well below that $5 mark, but today we stayed above it quite a bit, and the market just really kind of just churned its way up. We did have a little bit of pullback on the opening, but the market stayed higher. We got up to 510 on that September contract, so it was good. There's that dryness in Russia is a factor. There's more opportunity for us to sell that to other big importers like Egypt. So perhaps the door could be open a little bit for us. And even though the excessive rain is hampering some of the Midwest harvest, that should maybe give us a little bit of a shot in the arm as well. But these rains are definitely too late to help any of the winter wheat. So as soon as we can get the rest of that off the ground, and we'll figure out how the spring wheat is gonna go from there. But we're definitely in a weather market of a lot of balls in the air, a lot of things to consider. So I expect the volatility is going to continue really for the next couple of weeks or so. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.